You ever wake up, check your bank account, and suddenly see a charge from 702 SW 8th Bentonville, AR? Now, you're staring at your screen like, did I take a sleepwalking trip to Arkansas and go on a Walmart shopping spree? Well, that's exactly what happened to Chloe, a member of my online community. She reached out to me, completely panicked. I swear, I didn't buy anything from Arkansas. Why is there a charge from Walmart's headquarters on my account? At first I thought maybe it's just a small pending charge that will disappear. But then she dropped the bombshell. $275 gone. That's not a pending charge. That's rent money vanishing into the void. Here's what I told her to do. 1. Call her bank immediately. If this happens to you, report the charge as fraud. Even if it's a small amount, scammers often test the waters before going for the big money. 2. Lock her card and request a new one. Because let's be real, once your card is out there in scammer land, it's like giving a raccoon access to your fridge. They will come back. 3. File a fraud report with Walmart. Now, I don't know if Walmart actually investigates these, but at least you're adding to the growing evidence. Good news? Chloe got her money back in 3 days. Bad news, it left her with trust issues so deep. She's considering using only cash and carrier pigeons from now on. Speaking of not losing money to mysterious charges, if you want to stay ahead of financial scams, improve your money habits, and even start making extra cash online, you need to check out my 5-in-1 ebook bundle. It's got everything: credit secrets, money-making strategies, and ways to protect yourself from scams, like this one. Grab it now before the next scammer tries to finesse your paycheck.